in this area, and a whole lot of sweet potato vines like covering it. And I've just found a lot of sweet potato. Not a really skinny little carrot looking ones, but a few like fully fleshed out ones too. We'll just dig down here some more. We'll probably find more, I reckon. Whoa! Yes! That is a nice looking sweet. Wow! That's a nice sweet potato. That is a nice sweet potato. That's so good. This is kind of a sheltered area, so it's with the brick walls, so it gets a bit extra heat. This is a good place for sweet potato. You get this nice one out too. This one started to rot at the end a bit, but we'll be able to cut the end off. I just another one there. We have a little look down here against the wall. I just found all these poking their heads out, ready to go. Whoops, unzipped off. They're pretty jam-packed in there. Might have to use two hands. If I can get my camera somewhere while I'm using two hands. We'll have a look in a moment. That's a little one. Wow, it's like actually so many potatoes in a small space. They're very stuck. Okay, I'm gonna move this bed out of the way if I can. It's stuck. All over the place. Oh yes, here is a monster. Whoa! Wow. That's a monster of a sweet potato just wedged up against the brick wall. It's like the biggest sweet potato I have ever seen. That is huge.